everyone, welcome to our wellness video. And for today, I would like to share with you the effects of food to our mood and mental health. As a nutrition and wellness coach, it is our approach to address the causes or sometimes the issues of not just physical but also the mental health of a person. That's why with nutrition coaching, we give or we implement practices for good food habits and at the same time a lifestyle habits. So it goes hand in hand because our goal is to achieve the balance of mind, body, and mental. So I just want to have like a quick example on how our food affects our mental health because eating a lot of good good food, it releases some kind of hormones. They help with the transactions of the neurotransmitters. Eating a good diet is very helpful in mental health, even three times effective than taking the medications. Medications are interfering with the neurotransmitters of our brain, which is giving wrong signals. What our body needs are the natural neurotransmitters that can really adapt and can really react properly to our cognitive and brain functions. Micronutrients such as B1, we need that for our cognitive performance. Micronutrients such as B6 and B12, they help with the production of the neurotransmitters and they control how we feel, how our mood. Magnesium together with zinc, because they are cofactors, it produces serotonin and neurotransmitters of the brain. Iodine, it helps with the thyroid functions and also with the controlling of any energy productions in a cellular level. Essential fatty acids, this is very important because our body is not producing this kind of minerals or vitamins. Essential fatty acids such as EPA and DHA, those are the ones, omega-3s, we cannot produce them, so we need to get that from our diet. They are responsible to the flexibility of the cell membranes. So if our cell membranes is flexible, they can easily get signals from any kind of neurotransmitters to our brain. So there's an easy communication between the brain and the body. Selenium, zinc, and lithium, those are very important micronutrients with our neurotransmitters productions. So, and the core of this is if we are experiencing anxiety or mental health problems, if we can use it in a natural way by managing our stress, physically active because they release good hormones, eating good food because they are the ones that are capable who can give us the right nutrients for our mind, body, and also for our brain. So today, friends, I just like to share with you those simple tips on how we can eat properly and how to improve our mood and avoid any kind of anxiety and depression. So I'm sending you all the peace, love, happiness, and always keep praying and stay healthy, people. Bye, everyone.